need for that conversion? Like 250?
It's 1 tin to 1 bronze, 2 copper to 1 bronze.
2 copper to 1 bronze. So half of what? So if we have 500, then we need 250, right?
Yep.
250. 250. What was that? What was that episode? Rick, are you here? Do you remember?
Tree fitty. It was tree fitty.
250?
This was one time, this little
350?
Girl Scout came up to the door, and she knocked on the door,
Yeah.
and she said that I'm selling some Girl Scout cookies, and I was like, how much are they? And she said, well, they about $3.50, and that's when I realized it wasn't no Girl Scout, it was the goddamn Loch Ness Monster.
It's so
Right
good.
about that time that I
It's so
realized that
good.
Girl Scout was a 15-foot tall lizard from the Jurassic period. It's a goddamn Loch Ness Monster. Leave my family alone.
I don't know why she
God.
come back. I gave her $1 the other day.
Give her $1.
Damn a woman, you gave her $1. No wonder she keep coming back.
Oh my god, bro.
That's just so good, bro.
I
gave him $1. She gave him $1.
Is that the one that it started into the change pandemic?
It's
where it
Chef's
was
parents.
Yeah,
That's
homeless?
Chef's parents. Yeah, like Chef's parents.
Oh my
He
gosh.
said, I need
gotta
about
freaking watch
350.
that.
I said, 350?
Said I need about $3.50.
So